Meet the JBL Tune Flex Earbuds. Powerful bass, flexible fit, and all-day comfort. With ANC, smart ambient, and long battery life, they're perfect for music and calls on the go. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the JBL Tune Flex Earbuds. Charging case. Extra ear tips. Charging cable. And user manual. How to wear. Ensure the earbud tip is facing downwards, then place the earbuds into your ear. Rotate the earbuds back to the auricle side to fit snugly. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. How to pair. Download the JBL app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your JBL earbuds. Place both earbuds in the charging case and open it. When the left and right indicators blink blue, the earbuds are in pairing mode. Keep the case close to your device. Open Bluetooth settings, select Pair New Device, choose JBL Tune Flex and confirm. Once connected, your earbuds are ready to use. Download the JBL Headphones app, open it, and accept the terms and permissions. Since your earbuds are already connected via Bluetooth, the app will detect them automatically. Tap Get Started, skip the tips, and your JBL Tune Flex earbuds are ready to use. Smart features? Experience JBL Pure Bass sound with deep, punchy lows and clear, detailed highs. It brings your music to life, making every track feel more immersive and powerful, whether you're listening to bass-heavy beats or vocals. These earbuds offer flexible fit options with both open and sealed ear tips. You can choose a comfortable fit that stays secure, while also customizing your sound experience for isolation or awareness of your surroundings. Active noise canceling blocks out unwanted background noise so you can fully focus on your music or calls. It creates a quiet, immersive listening environment, whether you're commuting, working, or just relaxing. Smart Ambient Mode lets you stay aware of your surroundings without removing the earbuds. It blends outside sounds with your audio, keeping you safe and connected while on the go. Long battery life keeps your music and calls going for hours on end. With the charging case, you get extended playtime and quick top-ups, so your earbuds are always ready when you need them. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the JBL Tune Flex earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your JBL Tune Flex earbuds. See you at the next one.